Achoo! I think I got some leftovers in my nose. Oh no.
It's pretty burnt, isn't it?
Are you alright, Evil? No, I'm okie dokie. I've dealt with worse than an overcooked grill. Containment breach. Residues of Rob's grill detected inside Evil's nose. This may lead to respiratory contamination and elevated levels of questionable taste.
Oh, it is questionable taste, I agree.
Currently, my kitchen's only stocked up on shampoo, as I was admittedly a bit hungry earlier.